Let's do a quick recap. Last season, we started off with Blue Nitro, Culture Frazier, MK2. Very nice. First build I did in a long time. It's about 20 years. 25 probably. But here we are, Blue Nitro. And we have Big Boy, Traxxas Wrestler / Bandit. Ooh, look at that. Poppin' Willies. One of those custom builds put together. Or Traxxas Bandit. Put this together for my lady. Last season, very nice 2-wheel off-road. Buggy. She loves it. Then we put together War Machine, Traxxas Nitro Wrestler / Bandit. I drag, custom build made, nothing else like it out there, hopefully, or yet. Look at that. We're gonna fix that balloon this year. Now, let's get all caught up. While we do that, I'm gonna do a little maintenance from last season. Recap. Where we've been since the break. Had to take a little trip. Flew out the country. Look at that view. Got to go onto an island. Look at that. That's a change of pace right there. Now that's a change of pace. Delicious. Look at that. Got to even see some local festivities going on. Very nice time. Look at that. Got to see the sunrise in the morning. Never seen anything like it. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. Oh yeah, caught the urban fish hanging out underneath the dock. There we go. Guy wanted to show off his speed against a tour. If I didn't mention, we went to Belize, obviously. Great times. Now, back to work. Oh yeah, I also got a new assistant. Maximus, the new assistant. Part of the family now. Look at that. Little guy. Look at that face. Look at that face. Yeah. Sir Maximus Cornelius. At this point, we're all caught up. Now, let's begin. Round 2.
Maestro, take it away, please.
Time for the new intro. Season 2 is here. What's next? New tools, new parts, walks with assistant, DIY car stand, test runs with the assistant, speed runs with the GPS. Next time. said Car Stand Part 1. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And check out the playlist for more.